Yeah, welcome back to the Dart series. Today we are going to start to write the Dart programming language. So be with me to the end of this series. You will learn how to write Dart programming language, rule, syntax, and so on. So you have to open your VS Code if you have VS Code or any text editor like Sublime Text, Atom, and so on. So after open your text editor, you can go here to the file, then open folder, then you can select any folder that you have in your desktop. For example, me, I have my Dart basics here. I open. Okay, after this you open my folder. Now we are going to create the file, first file in Dart. So let's call this file like this one, first day. Okay, first day. As you know, any programming language have its extension. For example, HTML, you can write index.html and java.java, python.py, also that have .dat. So you can write firstday.dat. Okay, now we are creating our file called the firstday.dat. After here, so now we are going to start to write the syntax of the Dart programming language. Before starting writing the syntax of Dart programming language, we have to understand the crucial things, important things. What that is? That is the main function. In Dart programming language, there is a function very important known as main function. All application of that will be run or will be launched within this main function. So this is a main function is not created by human being, by any developer, or you are created like other function, but this is a built-in function in the Dart. So we have to create this function main, then we'll continue to write syntax within main function. So let's create here main function like this one. Okay, this is the main function. So within this main function we can operate any operation, print and so on, so that will understand and will execute your program within this main function. For example, we are going to print message, for example hello message. So we can write print hello world. Okay, so this print function is the function which uses to display the content within, and in that function, after writing your statement, it ends with the semicolon. This one. So now we are writing our first program in Dart language, that is print function found within the main function. Now our hello world will be printed. There is two ways to execute the Dart application. One way is if you have VS Code like me, you can go here, okay, to the extension, then download here extension known as CodeRunner. After that, the loading successful, you have to refresh your VS Code and will be appear like me here, icon this CodeRunner. Okay, this is a first way to learn your programming language. After displaying here, you can execute here like this, and the hello world will be display here at the console below here like this one, hello world. Okay, also there is another method or another way to execute that application, that is go to your terminal like this one. Okay, then after you are going to your terminal, you have to write your this statement Dart. Okay, then write your file name. our file name with the first day dot that. Okay, then enter. Okay, we get the same answer. We get the same output. Hello world, also here hello world. So you have two method or two way to execute that function. This by using the code learner here or by using the terminal. For me, I will use the code learner since it does not consume the time you have to learn this icon on, and the output will be this appear here below, will be appear here. Okay, so now we are writing our program successful. Okay, let me meet to the next video. Bye bye.